Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today I'm unboxing the new isolation belts from a company called Shape Up. Even though there's a lot of different companies that are actually selling them. And believe it or not, they actually took about 2 months to come. Literally about nearly 2.5 months. I'm very frustrated. I just woke up, so my voice sounds a bit funny and I'm probably gonna keep fucking up. But leave a like straight away, guys. Subscribe if you're new. I'm just gonna do a few exercises in this video, just show it off and see how it is. I haven't actually opened it yet or used it. See, I literally ordered them in March. I rush bought them. You know the little like Instagram adverts that come up, right? I saw that and I was like, oh damn, these look really good. I thought they were like brand new and stuff, so I was like, damn, I better buy some real quick. Then I find out that the company I bought them from were from China, so I was like, shit.
It comes from China.
So yeah, it's literally been about 2 months. It's so frustrating, man. I could have made more gains. And they were £24.99, I think. And I looked online again, and there's some that are in the UK, companies in the UK that are selling them. Literally like £10. So that's very unfortunate, but oh well. That's the lesson in this video, guys. Don't just rush things. Don't rush buy things, because obviously this kind of thing can happen.
What are you?
So yeah, I literally could have ordered them and had them with me in a couple of days, but... So basically this company looked all good and stuff. It's called Shape Up, the company. And a lot of companies did this where they saw these bands and took full advantage of them. So they were like making out as if they created them, and that's exactly what I thought this Shape Up company was. Yeah, they just got this, oh, you can't even see it. It's basically some crappy sticker they got on there, on the bag. Some little like crappy PE bag you'd bring to school. Shape Up, bro. Where's that gonna go? On the Xbox? Yeah, go on.
Oh, go on then.
And also, obviously, because of the coronavirus, like, it's gonna take longer to come. Of course it is. All right, let's open it. All right, so they got this paperwork in there, scrunched up. Anyone want to read that in Chinese? You can go ahead and do so. No, that ain't focusing. All right, I'm gonna just quickly read this, like roughly. They got steps and stuff in here, but I think I know how to use it pretty much. Textured anti-slip design to increase grip and safety during sweaty... Mate, so basically it was in Chinese and they translated it, because that doesn't make any sense. I ain't even gonna read that, man. Basically they're bands, you attach them to each other, to these two handles, and then one side of it goes on the end of like a door or something that can actually hold it on the other side. And then you can do like all kinds of different exercises. I'm gonna do a couple different exercises just to show you guys. I'm not gonna do every single one I can do, but yeah. So here they are. Each band is heavier. I'll put it up on screen. Each band gets heavier within like the pound. Because like, for example, the black one's like the heaviest, if you want to call it, like the thickest one, because it has the most resistance, because it's the thickest. Alright, man. Let's just get these together, bro. You see, this part will be on the other side of a door. So if someone opens the door, and it's just gonna fling in your face, man. You need to be careful. Alright, let's see how this thing works. The actual metal on these feel very sturdy, but I just don't know how long these are gonna last, you know? If you got a kid with a knife, I don't know why a kid would have a knife, but boom, that's cut right away, you know? So I'm gonna start off with the red, green, and blue. No, brilliant, I can't. Red, yellow, and blue. I'm gonna put all of these in here. So in order to get higher resistance, you need to do like all three of them. So like, say if you just did the black band, like it wouldn't really do anything, if you know what I mean. So boom, that's in there like that. Sweet. The stuff I've got now at home, like I got like bench press and that, like if these bands work correctly and last a while, like bro, you wouldn't even need a gym. Like, I just think it's one of them things again where you would get used to the weight of this and then you'd have to buy more or whatever, which is a bit annoying. Alright, there you go. Probably come in handy, to be fair, because I don't know all the exercises, but there is some exercises you can do on it. Focus, probably not, but hey, professional production we got over here, guys. Don't you worry. There's because I've got it focused to focus on the middle. So, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna go outside and give these a go. Let's do it. Alright, my dudes, let's do this. So, I'm just gonna do like middle chest.
As you can see, it can be quite tedious sometimes to actually even get the little thing behind the door and stuff. But yeah.
Alright, so let's start that. That is strange. Very strange.
Alright guys, so it's been, since the clip you've just seen, it's literally been like 4 or 5 days. I don't know what, I was just getting really stressed out and stuff.
So fucking tedious. Fuck, man.
On the day of doing that video, because I was like overthinking the angles and like the lighting and all this other crap. And yeah, so it's been a few days. Literally the next day after that I did a shoulders workout. Not just a shoulders workout with these resistant bands, but I did a few shoulder exercises with it. Because what I'm saying is like, these aren't really good for like just doing full workouts with, you know? Like, you're not just gonna go cancel your gym subscription and use these, you know? They're really good. But for me personally, I'm gonna use them within my workout. So the workouts I already do, obviously they slightly adjust sometimes and stuff like that. But for example, my chest workout, I already have like quite a good chest workout because now I'm a bench, right? But now I can use the cables as well. So I can like, do supersets with the cable, so I can do like bench press and then whack these in the door and start doing cable cable fly things, yeah, you know, and start doing like the cable flies. So yeah, this, you know, it's gonna definitely help gains for sure. For example, I was doing this exercise when I was doing shoulders. So after I did the overhead press of the shoulders, I was then doing the front shoulder like pull thing with the cables, where you literally just stand on it on your feet. And then I also did the ones that go outwards like that. So yeah, it's just weird because it's just something you need to get used to. Like, I mean, you get used to it really quick. Another thing is actually, they do actually stretch naturally because they probably just come out of the factory, right? And they come how they are. Obviously, there's not gonna be workers just stretching them, are they? So that's another thing, like, you get used to how strong and durable they actually are. It's like you keep thinking at the start, like, oh crap, are these gonna break? And then you're like, most likely not, unless you get a bloody knife out or your dog eats it, you know? But yeah, unless you're like ridiculously strong and you overstretch it on purpose, then, you know, it's a bit dodgy. Yeah, these things are actually really good, honestly. They're a bit tedious, just changing the band sometimes, but honestly, apart from that, they're really good. Like I said, I'm just gonna integrate it into workouts, you know? Even like when I do legs now, instead of like just doing squats, well, I don't just do squats, but like say you do squats, I can then, there's an exercise where you put your feet on it and you hold it like that, 2 hands, and you like drop down. So it's just like more resistance on yourself, you know? I know even arms, you can do arms with it, you know? You stand on it in the middle, you pump it like that and stuff like that, you know, it's really good. Like I said, I'm not gonna do full workouts with these sort of things, but yeah.
Alright, well, that actually worked quite good to be fair.
Alright guys, that's it. Honestly, it's probably worth buying them. You probably have these exact ones or ones similar in your country, like I said, for cheaper, and ones that'll actually come to you straight away. Because it was literally 2 months later, I was like, oh, probably no point making a video now, but I thought I might as well still do it. Just talking about them. So yeah guys, I got bench press, I got a barbell and 2 dumbbells, and I have resistant bands. So yeah, I'm gonna be making all kinds of gains hopefully. So yeah, I'm actually well happy with these. Like honestly, even if the gym isn't open for a while, I think I'd be alright, to be honest with you. Obviously it's better being in the gym, of course it is, but this is like, you know, this is definitely gonna help. The only thing is just if it breaks, I don't know, I mean, I'm gonna keep you guys updated if it breaks or not, but let's hope not. Alright guys, that's it. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.